What up guys, it's Andrew here with LG Billet USA, and right now I'm going to show you how to install our 95 to 99 OBS Billet parking brake. So to start this install, you're going to pull on the OEM parking brake. You're going to pull it out. It is attached by 2 tabs. I'm going to use a set of needle nose pliers to push inward on one of the 2 tabs, and that should release the OEM parking brake. And that's it. That's how you install our 95 to 99 OBS Billet parking brake. The OBS parking brake release. Billet, the OBS. You only say OBS, right? OBS, early 90, okay.
Valley Shelfie Self.
Perfect. Got it. I hope you're ready. Filming that.
Delete that one. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the comments.